Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to create a file download button in Elementor. So let's get into it. So I have a section here where I want to add my button. I'm going to come over to the widgets and drag the button widget onto my section. And then I'm going to make the text of the button say download. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is upload your downloadable file to WordPress. So I'm going to jump over to the media library. I have a PDF here that I'm going to upload called example. And it's in my downloads folder on Windows. And this is the file that I want to be downloaded when the download button is clicked. So I'm just going to click and drag this and upload it to my media library. And now that it's uploaded, I'm going to head back to the editor. So now I'm going to select my button and you'll see the settings for it on the left here. Now at this point, what a lot of people would do is grab the file URL from the file that we just uploaded and they would paste it into this link URL input. However, this isn't really the most robust way of doing it. There is actually a much better way of doing it, which I'm going to show you. So in this link field, there is a dynamic tag option on the right and you're going to want to click this and then you want to click on internal URL and then click on the internal URL again and then click on the drop down and select media, and then in this drop down we're going to type in the name of the file that we just uploaded, which is example, and then you're going to want to click on that, and the PDF that we uploaded is now attached to this button. And the reason I've used this method to attach the PDF as opposed to just pasting the link in here is because if you ever change your domain name in the future, then using this method means that the URL to this file won't get broken. It's just a much more robust method than hard coding a URL in here. So now the PDF is attached to this button. I'm going to click publish in the top right and I'm going to click on the download button to ensure that it works, but when I click on it you will see that it opens up the file in a new tab. It doesn't actually download it. So to make sure that it actually downloads the file when you click it, we need to make one more change to the button widget. So I'm now back in the editor and I've selected the button, and you need to go over to link options and come down to the custom attributes field, and in here you need to type in download and then you need to follow it with the pipe character, which is like a divider, and then you need to type in what you want the name of the file to be when someone downloads it. In this case I'm just going to call it lorem ipsum and then hit publish again to save the page, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the download button again, and you'll see the file is now in my downloads folder and it's got the name that we gave it in the custom attributes. So that's how you create a custom download button. I hope this video has been useful. Please check out some of my other videos on the screen now. Like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.